This is not the usual type of video I make in this channel, but yes, I am doing something called a monk mode for a whole month. So you will be watching this video tomorrow, 20th of April, and I'm gonna end this on 20th of May, which is my birthday. So this whole month, I'm gonna stop watching all the movies, all the series. I'm not gonna listen to any kind of music, and everything I'm gonna do for this 30 days is only taking care of my business, doing more outreach, closing more clients. It's because I've been doing lots of research on dopamine detoxing, which sounds fancy, but which is really not. The reason why I'm doing this is after leaving the UK and coming to Bali, it's been 4 to 5 months now, and I kind of let myself go. I kind of got a little bit skinny and I got some fat, and I was not even focusing myself on my business. I let myself go because after coming to Bali, I was like, okay, everything is cheap, the weather is nice, and the people are laid back. They don't really push themselves too much on accomplishing something because it's a laid back place, Canggu in Bali. So I have decided I'm not gonna be a slob anymore. I'm not gonna get dopamine for the thing which I've not accomplished. So whenever you're watching something, for example, a series or a movie, it's gonna give you dopamine which you didn't deserve. For example, if you are watching a video of a guy doing backflip on a swimming pool, it feels exciting to watch these kinds of stunts. And it kind of gives you dopamine that you're actually doing it. But guess what? You are not doing it, but your brain is giving you the hit which the guy's actually getting without you even doing it. And that's why most of you guys, when you talk about your goals or talk about how much money you're gonna make with the business, when you're talking about this, it's gonna mess up your brain, and your brain is gonna give you the same level of dopamine which you're gonna get when you actually succeed. So instead of actually doing the thing which is gonna make you money, which is doing the outreach, you just keep on talking, keep on thinking about all the money you're gonna make from this business, and your brain is gonna keep on giving the dopamine, and by the end of the day, you didn't do anything and no money has been made. And this is why I'm gonna stop getting dopamine from the things which I don't deserve, like watching movies, listening to music, all kinds of stuff. For this 30 days, I'm gonna concentrate on outreach. And yes, I don't really like doing outreach, so I'm gonna do the outreach anyway. So I'm gonna do cold calling, cold DMs, and cold email. But at the same time, I'm learning to do ads, and I'm gonna test and run ads on the side. So by the end of the month, and before my birthday, which is on 20th of May, I should have made at least 5 to 10K within this 30 days. And only with this money, I'm gonna take a trip, because on the same day, my visa is ending in Bali, so I have to do a visa run. So I'm thinking about doing a small trip, going to somewhere in Southeast Asia, or to visit one of my coaching member in Australia. So we're gonna travel around Australia, and he's gonna show me around. So it's gonna be fun. But before that, I need to, I'm not gonna make use of the money which I'm bringing right now inside my agency, which is the reason I'm getting lazy. Since I'm doing a monthly recurring revenue business instead of a project to project business, even if I don't do outreach, I still get paid. And I only need around like 3,000 to 4,000 a month to live a good life in Bali, which makes me even more lazy, which is like, it's a problem. And most of the guys you see in Bali they are kind of lazy as well. Not all of them, most of them. And even you surround yourself with like these kinds of lazy people who just want to chill, don't want to push themselves, you end up being the lazy guy. So you are the 5th guy in the group you surround yourself with. So I'm gonna put myself in a secluded situation. It's gonna be really bad, because if you don't get dopamine, you get like kind of stressed and depressed. And if you don't talk to anyone, you're going to be lonely. So I'm going to deal with all these emotions which is going to come up for the whole month, and I'm going to deal with it one by one, and I'm not going to let my emotions take over me, and I'm going to get strong so that this month is going to make me strong, and everything I'm doing is going to make myself move towards my goal. And I was having back and forth about the thought about like, do I need to do this business? Yes, it's bringing me money, but I don't really love doing this. I don't really love doing the outreach. I don't really love building the website. I love making money. So I'm going to keep on doing it. I'm going to increase my revenue, and I'm going to start getting more clients. And since you guys have been asking, why haven't you running ads? It's just because I'm just lazy, to be frank. I want to be totally honest with you. I was lazy, and I was not trusting the ads that it's going to give me clients. And I've been watching lots of my friends are making a lot of money by running ads instead of doing cold calls and cold DMs or cold emails, which I don't like doing. I would love clients to find me instead of me looking for clients. So that's why I've been testing ads. I've been learning lots of different ways I can get leads in the cheapest price possible. And yes, if you want to join the same kind of things I'm doing right now, you can follow me on Instagram, which is Goutham.scales. I'll be updating everything over there. I will be posting all the wins, all the things I'm doing, which is bringing me booked meetings, and all the sales call clips, all the cold call videos. So you will be in with me. So you will do everything what I'm doing, which is actually helping me, which is gonna, by the end of the day, it's gonna help you the same way to get more clients. And if you wanna dial down and work along with me, I just onboarded a subscriber who wants to work with me to get his first client. So I have one more slot. If you are interested in doing something like this for a whole month, concentrating only on outreach and concentrating only on making money, and if you want someone to keep you accountable, click the first link in the description, and let's all work together and let's start making money. Again, you don't really need any courses or coaching sessions. Everything is free online. You can literally watch all of my videos, and people have been messaging me that my videos help me to close their first few clients. I'll show some screenshots on the screen. So the thing is, you can close clients with the informations right there on YouTube. And if you are suffering with procrastination or a discipline issue, or if you want someone to show you the path, it's going to be easier for you to walk the path, then click the first link in the description. We will dial down in this monk mode. And I've never done this before. I am super excited and kind of stressed at the same time, because my brain is going to be having some kind of drawbacks. It's just like drugs or alcohol. If I've only seen this on movies, I've never felt it myself. And I can feel a little bit. I've been dropping down on the movies and videos and songs I've been listening to. My brain is wanting me to watch all those things again. So I'm going to cut it right there, and I'm going to focus fully on building this business to next level. And I don't want to be lazy anymore, and I don't want to be fat, chubby. So I'm running twice a week. I'm going to the gym 7 days a week, even after the running, and I'm doing salsa. I'm playing football on the ground. So I am going to get dopamine by doing the hard thing. So you only need to get the dopamine by doing a real thing. For example, some of you will be watching porn instead of actually talking to a woman. And if you keep on doing it, you're not gonna talk to a woman, and you're gonna end up being lonely, and your generation cuts right there. Dopamine is a hormone which is secreted when you achieve something in your life. And if you don't achieve something in your life, if you keep watching movies, keep watching porn, and don't do that. And if you want to watch me documenting everything, give me a follow on Instagram, Goutham.scales, and let's do it together. This time, it's not gonna be like the same as usual. And I'm pretty sure you should ask yourself this question. The reason why you're not getting clients Is it because you don't have the system? Is it because you don't have the outreach? Or is it just because you are lazy? You are not doing enough outreach. And I know for a fact that because you guys have been messaging me and commenting me that you have been doing for outreach for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, not getting any clients. Do you think you're gonna get clients that easy? If everything is easy like this, you're gonna do outreach for 2 weeks and get clients? Everyone will be doing the same thing. Everyone will be making money online. Yes, it is hard, but it also gives you freedom to travel around and live and work for yourself instead of working for someone else. And I'm not going to talk anymore. If you want to join me in this journey, give me a follow on my Instagram. I'll be updating every single day, and I will show you all the process and all the outreach strategies I'm doing to book all those meetings and close all those clients. And yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.